Welcome to our cuisine. Today I'm gonna be making whole chicken today, barbecue. So this is my chicken. So I buy two whole chicken, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut them in half, and those the season I'm gonna be using. This is my mustard, yellow mustard, and my Maggi season. This season tastes very good, and my chicken season, and my black pepper. And I'm gonna use the chicken bouillon Maggi. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put all the dry ingredient in the bowl, and I'm gonna mix them. And after, I'm gonna season my chicken with those ingredients. Okay, so I'm gonna put everything in the bowl, and after, I'm gonna cut the chicken in half, and I'm gonna use some cooking oil. And that's all I'm just doing right now. I just washed the chicken, and I'm gonna cut the chicken, butterfly the chicken in half, and those are the season I'm gonna be using. So let's start it. Okay, so this is the mustard, the yellow mustard. This is the yellow mustard, and this is the black pepper. So I'm gonna put some black pepper inside the yellow mustard. Okay, so I just put the mustard, and this is the black pepper, and I'm gonna add some black pepper to it, enough black pepper. And this is my chicken season, enough of my chicken season. And this is a Maggi, some Maggi, and I'm gonna add my chicken bouillon to it too. And after, I'm gonna use some cooking oil to it too. I'm gonna add 2 for now, because you're gonna control how many seasoning you're gonna put on the chicken. It's not because this is gonna be too salty. No, it depends how much you're gonna be rubbing on the chicken. So that's all. And after, this is my cooking oil, and I'm gonna add just a little bit of cooking oil to it, just like that. And what I'm gonna do now, mix it. So after you mix this, so you got your season. This is the seasoning you're gonna rub on your chicken. You wanna mix it very well and make sure all the seasoning is well mixed. And this is the chicken, so I'm gonna butterfly my chicken too. I did not do that yet. I just want to show you guys how to season it. So this is the season I make for the chicken. So I'm gonna butterfly the chicken and show you guys the rest of it. Okay, I just butterfly my chicken. So what I'm gonna do, the season I showed you guys before, I'm gonna start using that. I'm gonna start using that season now to season my chicken. Okay, so I'm gonna rub it. I'm gonna take this season. I washed my hand already. My hand is clean. I'm gonna rub this on my chicken, season my chicken very well. So that's all I'm doing. You're gonna season. You see, I already already cut my chicken in half already. So I'm gonna season all the chicken with that season I show you guys. You're gonna rub it very good, just the way I'm doing it right now. So when you put this chicken on, season on it, and after, you're gonna taste it and see if it and I cut a little pieces like this, so the season gonna go through the meat. Okay, even in here too, I put some I make a little bit of cut, so I'm gonna put the seasoning inside all those little cuts. So this isn't gonna be all over. And after seasoning like this, you're gonna try it you're gonna take the whole chicken and just put it in your mouth like this and try it and see if the chicken is well seasoned. If it's well seasoned, so you're gonna let it rest for 20 minutes or 15 minutes, it depends. So let the seasoning go through the chicken very well. So that's all I'm doing right now, season all the chicken. After seasoning, I'm gonna let it rest for 15 minutes, and after I'm gonna start barbecuing my chicken. Okay, so see you guys in a minute. This is my chicken, well seasoned. Okay then, so see you guys later. Okay. Ibrahima, I am making my barbecue with the charcoal today. So this is the charcoal. So I'm getting ready to start doing the chicken. So let's start it. Okay, I just put the chicken on the grill now. So I just put that. So I'm gonna cover it, and I'm gonna check it up in 10 to 15 minutes and see how the chicken is doing. All right, so this is the way it's supposed to be like. So let me close it down. So this is my barbecue machine, and I'm gonna come back in 15 minutes and check it out. Okay, it's time to flip it up. Oops. My husband is helping too. So we're flipping the chicken now.
Can you tell your cracks is to move over? How are you?
Okay, so I'm gonna close it back again because the chicken need the heat. The chicken need the heat, so I'm gonna cover it, because if you don't cover it, the heat, the chicken would not cook enough like the way you want it. So I'm gonna just cover it, and my chicken need all the heat I can cover. Okay, so let me cover it for another 15 minutes. I'm gonna come back and flip it again. All right, so this is the side dish I'm gonna be making, the broccoli. So I already cut my broccoli in little pieces and wash it. And this is the water. What I did, I just put a little bit of water and put a little bit of oil to it, and I'm gonna cook it. You know, your broccoli not supposed to overcook, so I'm gonna boil it for just like 5 seconds, like 5 minutes, because your broccoli, when the water boil, you're supposed to remove it because you don't want to overcook your broccoli. Okay, so I'm just gonna boil my broccoli just a little tiny bit, and after I'm gonna remove it. It's time to remove my broccoli, so I'm gonna put in the cold water because I don't want my broccoli to overcook. Okay, so I just removed the broccoli in the pot, and I put it in the cold water. So I just rinsed it from the cold water and put it back in the plate. And this is the pot, clean pot, and I'm gonna put some oil, just a little bit of oil, not too much. I'm gonna wait just a little bit when this oil is hot, and I'm gonna my pot got a little bit of water in it. So what I just did now, I'm gonna put the broccoli back in the oil. I just put the broccoli back in the pot. I just put the oil and the broccoli without no seasoning, nothing. So now it's time to add the seasoning, my chicken seasoning. I'm gonna add my chicken seasoning. And if it's chicken, But this tastes like a soy sauce, but this is Maggi version, but it tastes very good. It's liquid just like a soy sauce too. And I'm gonna add some of those too. All African people, y'all know these. And it's very tasty. It's just like a Maggi liquid. And I'm gonna add some of those too. And I'm gonna mix my broccoli now. And I'm frying it now. I'm frying my broccoli now. Okay? When you do this, the broccoli is gonna have so much flavor to it. Like if you just boil it like that and give it to the children, they will not eat it. But if you do like this, you will have so much flavor, they're gonna eat it without no problem. My daughter, she likes to eat this kind of broccoli. Anytime I cook a broccoli like this, she don't mind, she will eat it. But if you just boil it without no flavor, she will just look at you like, Mommy, I'm not eating this. But like this, she would love to eat it. Sometimes even the pepper, like a red pepper and yellow pepper, sometimes I will cut some of those peppers too and fry it with my broccoli like this. But today I don't have those today, so I'm just doing my broccoli today. And I'm gonna do this. This is gonna be the side dish for my chicken today. And that's it. This is so tasty. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try if it's nice and salty like the way I want it. And after, I'm gonna just put it in the plate. That's it. And we're gonna have a nice dinner. That's it, because you don't want to overcook your broccoli, okay? Okay, so now what are we doing now? We putting some more cooking oil on it, so it will be nice and goldy. You see, it's nice and goldy already. That will make the skin nice and juicy. So you see, my barbecue looking good, man. Ooh, ooh. And this with broccoli, very tasty. You cannot go wrong with this, man. This is the best thing ever. For dinner, you need to remove it out of the fire a little bit, because you don't want the barbecue to or your chicken to burn. But when it comes to barbecue like this, my husband is the best, because if it just was me, I would be a little bit scared. Like him, he know what to do. So, and I'm gonna show you guys the final product, okay? So I just removed the chicken out of the barbecue machine. I mean the barbecue outside. So this is the chicken and this is the broccoli. So I'm gonna make a plate now and show you guys how my plate will look like with the chicken. Okay, this is my final product. This is my chicken and broccoli, and this is the rest of it. And this is all the broccoli too. This is the rest of chicken. Thank you for watching Our Cuisine, and love you guys so much. Please subscribe. The more subscribers I have, the more video I'm gonna be making. Please, I love you guys so much, and see you guys next time. Love you guys. Bye.